Rightwire Limited, based on the Isle of Wight, successfully delivers electrical services to domestic, commercial, industrial and leisure customers. Rightwire will always send you a qualified electrician, and our continuous investment ensures that we are a leading trainer of electrical apprentices on the Isle of Wight. Our customer-focused values ensure that your needs are our top priority by working together and delivering our services in a timely, reliable and friendly way. Rightwire can be trusted to provide complete electrical services for homes and businesses of any size. We deliver on our promises by providing a free, no-obligation quotation, a prompt and reliable service and value for money. With Rightwire, you never need to panic. We provide a prompt emergency call-out service. We'll be there when you need us most, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So, whatever your electrical requirements, choose the highly trained team at Rightwire Limited.